Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're looking for a DIY oil spray heat protectant, then you're in the right place. Just stay tuned for the rest of this video. First, we're going to get a spray bottle. Then we're going to place 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Essential oils to the mixture. And finally, we're gonna go ahead and shake, shake, shake. Guys, I love this oil spray heat protectant and it smells so good. I also have a fluffy butter heat protectant and I use them both in my curly to straight tutorial, so be sure to check those out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more like it, be sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. If you want to keep up with me and my tutorials, be sure to follow my Instagram and Twitter handles.